it's my mummy's birthday.
We've had food. We're back to it. It's a beautiful day. Lighthouse there. Fog on, still at it. But the sea's nearly in now, so we might not get on beach. But happy Erica is happy mummy. Ice cream in hand. Yeah, the seals are supposed to come here, but I'm not sure we'll see any today. This school group walked up top of there, hiked up that way, I've just seen. What?
Grey seals.
Oh. Well, you've got your binoculars on, haven't you? There's some people coming up with dogs. Are you going to wait? No. They should go to one side then.
Okay.
You are going to wait.
I don't know, it's far down.
That's sensible. It's a lovely little bay, isn't it? It's called Flamborough Head.
Okay, why can't you see any seals?
Well, I'll be out to sea, fishing. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful birthday, eh? We are very grateful to our universe for this. Put your binoculars on, you might see some hidden sat on the oh, there will be now, you just dropped it. See some caves over there. Look, Erica, when the tide's out, I bet you can get through there. Trying to get sand out of these binoculars. Right, put it around like I've shown you, and then you'll be able to look through them.
I really want to see some sea lions.
Seals? Well, you might do, but you've got to look for them.
I'm taking it off and...
I'm videoing right now. There you go. Massive, these cliffs. So this is when we know, when we're reminded that we live on an island. Look how big it is. Can you see
No
any?
seals today.
No seals today. I think I might go and swill my face in the water. Do you want to do any video in Erica?
No.
No. We'll walk the smooth way. Nice bit of seaweed. I've not tried seaweed tea yet. Hey?
Happy birthday, Crystal!
And her birthday, Crystal, yeah, but I'm not carrying it. Oh, it is Crystal, yeah. You're right. All sparkly. I can't take that up them steps, love. Right, look for some sea glass.
No, I really want to bring this. Right, can you
Is this a bit of sea glass? Yes, it is. Here you go. Your birthday sea glass. Now look for some sea glass.
Like me?
Yeah?
And take a picture of this.
Yeah.
Because I really wanted to show.
Oh, it's beautiful. Glorious day.
Guys, will there be seals on this beach right now?
Will there be seals on this beach right now? No, because we're on this beach right now, aren't we? Where's your sunglasses, please?
Wait, did they just go out to sea when people arrive?
Did the seals move off the beach? Yep. Were they on this morning? Yep, look at this tide coming, look. Coming in quite quick. Look, you see where it's eroded? It's created caves over there. The sea has eroded the cliff. Washes it away, all the waves. It's all seaweed and mouldy on that side, and this side's all clean.
Can you ask them how many seals were there?
How many seals? Were there more than 10 seals on the beach this morning?
Keep on going until the
You keep going. You ask your guides. Remember that sea comes in deep? I want to swill my face.
There were 20 seals.
20. There you go. I'll be able to wash my face a little bit. Should have brought your bucket down, shouldn't we, so I could swill my face. You can stand there, but it's really deep, and this is slippery rock, so it'll wash you in. Just stand right there. Told you. Ooh, get some of that on my face. You know, I like a bit of a suntan, and when I come to sea, I wash my face in it, get closer to Mother Nature, and it gives me a bit of suntan as well. Oh, beautiful. Lovely and clear. Yeah? You wash your face in it?
How did the seals manage to get across all
What's he doing?
Climbing.
He is climbing, but... Oh. I've got a bit of sea salt in my eye. Yes?
How did the seals manage to get to the deep sea?
The sea? Seals? They swim and then they'll sit on these lovely rocks. Can you imagine that in the morning? They sit here. And the birds sit on the cliffs. Can you see any birds hiding on the cliffs?
No.
I bet you can if you look with your binoculars.
Wait, so did they sit down?
I've just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Watch out. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's about 18 bulges, cliff bulges. The other side of here is meant to be a good viewing area as well, but that's to Braid and it were all sea misty. But I'm better off coming down here with a car. Look at waves up there. Look at the waves up against this cliff, Erica. See, that's more than where you were stood there, isn't it? Hey? Get your glasses on and then you're not squinting in the sun. It's better. Up there it splashes against the rocks. You could see that in a minute. We're going to have a little hunt for some sea glass. Make some jewellery out of it. Look, sea glass. We met a couple of lads in Cornwall, a couple of guys, workmen, and he were collecting sea glass for his missus, as he said, as his girlfriend, and she makes jewellery out of it. And I says, oh, what does she do? And he says, oh, she paints pictures on it and makes jewellery out of it. I think they're fossil hunting. Erica, I think they're fossil hunting against them rocks.
There's lots of sea glass around.
Woo! Put them in your pocket.
That one's a stone.
Oh.
Oh no, it's not.
Keep collecting. You've got to make a bracelet out of them. Keep collecting. I'm going to go and have a seat up there, I think.
Wait, can you ask rangers and guides, did they move across the rocks?
Did the seals move across the rocks today? No? Did they just flop and sit on a rock? Yeah. They'll be out of energy by the time they get to the beach. I'm going to go and sit up here.
Wait, can you ask
Erica,
were there any baby seals?
were there any baby seals? Yes. you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm asking my guides. People use pendulum or whatever, I've cleared. And then it's my kind of muscle testing. Beautiful. That looks like someone's common opal that they sent me, KD. It's like common opal. You're looking for sea glass? Yeah? Hey? Why are your glasses there?
These are sea glass in here somewhere. All of this is sea glass.
All right. Yeah, yes, they're right. The sand is made out of crystal. Not sure if it's 99.9% quartz crystal sand, like somebody says, but ours is less quartz and less crystally than Florida, I think. But you'll still be able to find sea glass. I usually find a little seat. Let's sit on a seat, watch these waves, get a bit of suntan. But I need to keep an eye on that water. Oh. There we go. Put my glasses up now, get a bit of suntan. I've washed my face with seawater. Erica's there. Beautiful. You might be able to hear that waterfall as well from here. Yeah, we had something to eat. I only put 2 hours parking on. I've only got about half an hour left and I've got to get up all cliff steps. What time are we on? Oh, 12 it were on, I'm recording then. All right. You think what? Oh. I think I pressed a button on this phone by accident when I looked at time then. Well, that's better. 13:09, so I've got about 50 minutes, that's alright. In fact, I'm going to go sit near that waterfall in a minute, bit of sound therapy. Oh yeah. I hope the pieces you can do things with, not all those tiny ones. These pebbles look quite man-made, to be honest. Yeah. Must be all this rock. Is it limestone or what? I'm not very good with... We need a meteorologist, Trisha. Tell me what it's made of. Erica, I can see some birds on the cliff over there. A white seagull. Right. Yeah, it'd be nice to come back. I might come back tomorrow if it's sunny and go up there. First thing in the morning, it'll be nice. After swimming. Erica, all the birds are sat on the cliff top if you get your binoculars out. All the birds are sat on the cliff top up there if you get your binoculars out. Whoa, this is a big one coming in. I best move. How many you got? Oh wow. Yeah, brilliant. Encourage her. Don't want another meltdown. You've got what? Well, come and sit up here and take it off. I'm going to sit near a waterfall and listen to it. Beautiful. There's loads of little bays around here that I've not been to before, and I've been coming to East Riding of Yorkshire for years, all my life. Maybe I was brought as a kid, I don't know, but I can't remember. All I know is it's beautiful. Better? What? Help what? Right, sit down, please. Sit down and I'll get it off, whatever you mean. Oh! Other one? Oh. Definitely need them on because it's wet sand, it'll all get stuck to your toes on that.
This one? No, that one's actually.
Erica, you use your binoculars. Look, your binoculars. Up there, can you see the white things on the cliff? They're the seagulls. You can see them already?
Help make it up. Can I take your hand with the waterfall?
Yeah, take your coat off.
This can be my six.
Got a spare pair of trousers in the car for this very reason. She can never stop at just her hands. If I hadn't got my hair done, I might have washed my hair in that. I know Erica's dying to do that. She's not dying, cancel that. Erica's wanting to do that.
And the third is have a crystal.
Have you? It's a big one. He stood there and she stood there and trying to work out what they're doing. They're having a competition. See where waves are going. I think we'll get her first. Let's have a look. Yeah. Meanwhile,
thank you, Mummy.
what for?
I'm playing in the water.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? For coming here, it's beautiful. Yeah, I just had a thought. I asked my guides, where shall I go for my birthday? I don't want to drive out and be travelling like I did down south east and south west because I was tired out when I came back. I don't want to do any travelling. This is 15 minutes away from Primrose Valley, Flamborough Head. Just further down that way is Bempton Cliffs. There's more birds there. Oh, he's gone down there, I think, where water's coming in. So we can spot it. Okay. Look for some more. Oh, lovely. Our garden and our house has buckets and baskets full of pebbles from all these beautiful places that we're so lucky to go to. Bucket and spade, it's in the car. And I'm glad because I'm not carrying buckets full of pebbles back up like we normally do. It's good because now Erica's a bit older, I might start taking her to more walking places because although she had a meltdown at top. Look at that mister where he stood, Erica. Erica, look at that mister. You had a nice holiday so far?
Yeah.
What you wanting to do later?
Swimming.
I already knew the answer to that one. What's she doing with that sand? Throwing it in the waterfall. So that water is fresh spring water from the fields and stuff up there. And because it's nature reserve, it's RSPB up there, I think, or nature. They shouldn't be spraying, so that should be clear water, that, to drink and what have you. Beautiful ground in here. Get me on that stone, get grounded, eh? Ground this beautiful energy. What's he doing? Is he videoing? Maybe. Can't zoom in on this mode apparently. I've got landscape mode on to capture the beautiful scenery, but it means I can't zoom in. Definitely eroding, aren't there? Big chunks of the coastline, and they say it's due to climate change, but it isn't. It's just natural. It's natural. It's what the sea does. High tide washes it away. Or in the case over there, high tide makes it mould it in. We're done for today with the videoing. Can you say goodbye?
No, we can keep on videoing long as you want.
Well, we nearly got you on camera slipping down then. See? This is the best. Home education. This is what it's all about. Exploring. Having a look around, learning about the cliffs. She's been learning maps. We noticed from the campsite it was southeast coming this way, and she checked whether her compass were working. We're doing us money maths in that place. It's expensive, so I'm enjoying it too. Best birthday ever. Erica bought me some gifts. She went round the supermarket last week before we came. She's got me a beautiful little teapot and cup because I like the tea. And because I like homemade tea with all the bits in, as she says, she's got me a tea strainer. A wise owl tea strainer and a beautiful teal and gold teapot, which she knows I liked, but I wouldn't buy myself because it was expensive. And she bought it for my birthday. So I still paid for it. And then there were a cookie place at Caravan yesterday. You making your wellies shiny? Cookie place at the Caravan, Millie's Cookies or whatever. Bought a birthday cookie, iced it for us, although she's not happy they've not done icing right or something. She wanted roses in the middle, not all the way around. They've put roses all the way around or something, I don't know. She's not happy, but it's nice to me, it's the thought that counts. Brownie cookie apparently, not good for you at all, which is why when I get into the swimming I do a bit of aerobics. Created of my own accord. Pull my legs up, do some stomach crunches while she's playing around and practicing swimming. This is one whole rock. Yeah, this used to be part of that cliff. So, oh look, a seagull's come to say hello. Come to see if you've got any food. Erica, the cliffs will have been out here. The cliffs will have been out there, and they've eroded back.
Here, how?
Eroded with this.
You mean that
Yeah.
then it came back?
Yeah.
How?
The weather eroding it away. Weather erosion.
Wait.
The sea. Can you see where the sea's bashed up against the rocks? Look, and created those little caves. That's where from the sea. The waterfall's coming from the spring water high up on our land, because we're an island. The water's come all the way down, and the sea's eroding this bit. But that's nature.
Wait, does that mean the sea is that away into the ocean and then it will get back?
No, the sea's weathered it away, washed it. It'll not come back. This is all the rocks are their remains. So they will have been on the cliff at one point, and they've dropped down.
Oh, I never knew that.
Yeah, she's been practicing her swimming. She's not swam in a public pool for a couple of years. And chemicals and that drive you crazy, don't they?
That's a piece of iron.
Have you?
And a rock.
Have you? A piece of red brick? We're finding red brick everywhere since we watched the mud floods video. Red brick's good for magnetising the water or whatever, and whatever the scientific word of it is, and getting energy from the ether using red brick is what they used to do. Right, I think I'll be switching off now. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying about swimming. She forgot how to do a butterfly arm, so I got congratulated by the swimming well, by the lifeguards. One of them's a swimming teacher, and she says she's doing fantastic. You're teaching her really well. So a pat on the back for me. She swam under, and she were in the deep end, holding onto a fountain pole or something. Holding onto it, and now we're doing my aerobics outside. So she's got real confidence. She's got a swimming noodle float thing that she didn't used to use. So she's forgot that she can swim without that. Oh my goodness. Let that lady come outside here, Erica.